Hi everyone, welcome to another holiday DIY here in Mem's Nook. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and check the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. One of my favorite holiday memories is watching the Charlie Brown Christmas movie. Today's craft is a reflection of that. It's super fast and it's very simple. Items I used: a square plate, a display easel, one red ornament, all from Dollar Tree, a vinyl decal, which I have pre-cut and pre-weeded, a dab of hot glue, a cloth, and some acetate. Let's get started. First, I'm going to clean the plate just to make sure there isn't any fingerprints or anything on it that would impede the vinyl sticking. Okay. And now we're just going to place the decal. Now I have a piece of parchment paper underneath it so that it doesn't stick anywhere until I have it where I want it to go. Okay, and that looks good, so we'll press down there. And I've left just a little bit of the sticky part of the transfer tape, so I can lift that, pull out the parchment paper. Now I take my squeegee and push it down. Just give it a good going over here with the squeegee to make sure it's all stuck down. Okay, and we will slowly pull the transfer tape away. So one of the famous lines from that movie is, "It's not what's under the Christmas tree that matters, it's who's around it." And to finish it off, I'm going to glue a red ornament. Right in the center here. And that's it. And we'll just put it on an easel for display. Remind you that things need to be a little simpler. Whoops, that keeps slipping on me. I am going to add a little dab of glue is what I'm going to do. because it's plastic, it's slippery. There we go. This can remind us that things need to be simpler in the hustle and bustle of this world today. Everything is far too commercialized. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. I would greatly appreciate the support. Before I sign off, I want to wish every one of you a very Merry Christmas and a safe and happy New Year. Until next time, bye for now.